Hi everyone, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. Recently, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, introduced a new feature called ChatGPT Search. In this video, we're going to dive into what it offers, discuss whether it has the potential to replace traditional search engines like Google and Bing, and explore its impact on SEO and SEO professionals. But before we get started, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and leave a comment. It really helps. Now let's jump straight into it and explore the details on this tool from its official website. You can access this page by searching ChatGPT search keyword in your search engine like Google. Then click on first result on the list or directly enter this URL in your browser. Now you can see this page. It introduces ChatGPT search. At the top, you can see two buttons, a try button for Plus and Team users and a download Chrome extension. In this section, you can see a video introduction. First, let's start with what ChatGPT search can currently do. It can searching content across the internet, but now it can automatically search based on your query, or you can manually click the search button, like this button. As it says in this section, right now, this feature is available to specific users, but is expected to roll out more broadly in the future. Now, it's for Plus and Team users, and over the coming months, for all free users. What are key advantages of ChatGPT search? Here are three main benefits it brings. 1. Faster answers with higher confidence. 2. A simpler way to ask a question. 3. Consolidated responses from multiple searches in one go. As we discussed, it brings some benefits compared to traditional search engines like Google or Bing. Now that we've seen what ChatGPT search can do, let's discuss its potential impact. Generally speaking, predicting the future is tricky. However, by analyzing advancements and trends in a field, we can make more informed assumptions. And the future of SEO is no exception to this rule. Whether this product turns out to be a success or not, one thing is clear. AI integration in search has become a major trend. It's likely we'll hear more about AI-powered tools in search engines in the near future. So it's a good idea to prepare now and consider how these changes could influence SEO. To make things simple, SEO, search engine optimization, refers to the processes that help content rank better on search engines. Each search engine has its own criteria which can evolve over time. However, the overarching goal is the same: to provide users with the result that satisfy their needs. Similarly, AI tools aim to achieve the same outcome by delivering the best answers to users' questions. Given that both are aligned in their goals, though they may differ in their criteria, it seems unlikely that SEO as a concept will disappear. Instead, its criteria and implementation might evolve. The ultimate aim of advancements in search technology is to deliver the most useful content to users. Whether this process happens through traditional search engines like Google or tools like ChatGPT search, the end goal remains the same. So while it's highly unlikely that SEO will vanish altogether, it's crucial to stay updated and adapt to technological changes to remain at the top of your game. Thanks for sticking with me in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.